Away they go. Echikatsu, Invincible, Speedmaker. Running down on the inside is Security Pro, High Earnings, Rising Up, Screen Sprayer. State Witness, second last, Launlaan is running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, Speedmakers, now the leader by about 2 lines, followed by Invincible, High Earnings, Screen Sprayer. Echikatsu, Security Pro down on the inside, State Witness, second last, Launlaan. As they raise the last 550, Speedmaker, followed by Invincible, High Earning, Queen Sprayer on the further outside, Echikatsu, as they race the final corner. 3 runners fighting around for the lead. High Earnings from the outside. In between runners, Invincible. Moving up by the rally, State Witness. Number 2 is State Witness by the rally, Echikatsu. Invincible on the further outside. State Witness, Invincible. And finally, State Witness, Invincible, Echikatsu. High Earnings to fourth.
State Witness ang unang tumawid sa linya at mukhang sumigundo, numero 4. 2. At